Hi everyone, my name's Lizzie, and if you're new here, you're welcome to the channel, and if you're returning, you're welcome back, family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And the purpose of this channel is to help you make money, save money and make your money work harder. On today's topic is Amazon Prime. I always hear a lot of people talking. I always hear a lot of people talking about Amazon. I ordered something from Amazon, Amazon this, Amazon that, Amazon that, Amazon this. And so I was like, okay, everyone's always talking about Amazon. So through random research, nothing to do with Amazon at the time, I came across this discount. I came across this offer. So if you're a student and you like to order from Amazon, please do watch this to the end of the video. It's not going to be a long video, quite short, but please do watch it because you will benefit. So I'm going to jump straight into today's video, and thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Amazon Prime, but specifically for students. And as it says here, Amazon Prime Student is a membership program created especially for higher education students studying in the UK and Ireland. If you sign up for a Prime Student membership, you receive certain Amazon Prime benefits for a trial period of 6 months, as indicated in the Prime Student programs pages at the time you sign up. So all you need to do is type into Google Amazon Prime Student, or just copy this into your browser. Now here there are some terms and conditions. You need to be enrolled at a higher education institution. You need to have amazon.co.uk account. You need to provide proof of enrollment. You need to have an email address from your educational establishment, from your educational institution. If you don't have a valid email address, you may sign up, and there is an alternative process to still confirm that you are a student and you are eligible for this program. So let's see, what kind of benefits do you get? So type of benefits you get is 50% off Prime, free 1-day delivery, Prime video, exclusive offers, Prime music. In addition, you also get things like unlimited delivery from favorite restaurants, 10% off selected fashion with Prime Student, 15% off coach tickets, 10% off selected Chromebooks, shavers from Philips, 10% off. You get this photo storage, £7 credit, Wacom tablets, 10% off, Kindle 2 months for £0, 10% off thousands of books. The list keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Canon cameras and lenses. So how do you now apply for this? So if you go back to this first page, what you need to do is look on the left, scroll down, it says join Prime Student. So you can just click on it. It takes you to this page and you click sign up for Student Prime today. Or you can just click here as well. And then it's going to take you through the forms you need to quickly fill in. And then, yeah, once you approved and they verified you, you can start using Amazon Student Prime. Let's quickly check how many months it's for as a trial. It says it's for 6-month trial, and these are the perks you get for the 6 months. So for the first 6 months, it looks like you don't pay the full price. So this is just more information about obviously after the 6 months, or some of the terms and conditions you can find here is about after the 6 months, before the 6 months, during the 6 months, and then what the regular Amazon Prime prices are as well. So yeah, if you love shopping on Amazon, if you are a student, it just makes so much sense to join this Prime Student. If you are based in the UK or in Ireland, it makes so much sense for you to do, because you are getting discounts on things you would usually buy anyway. And so just to recap, if you're a student, you in the UK, Ireland studying, and you are studying at college or university, and obviously if you use Amazon, it makes sense to go on this student free trial for 6 months. It just makes sense. There's literally kind of like no other reason why you would not go on this, because you use Amazon. If you are someone who uses Amazon, or even if you have a Prime membership, it kind of makes sense to be on this student Prime membership, because you do get 50% off for the Prime. You get free 1 day delivery. You get so many different offers and benefits, and so it kind of makes sense if you student and you are in the UK or Ireland, and you use Amazon to apply for this student Prime Amazon discount or offer, because it just would make so much sense, and it would help you save money, because the purpose of this channel is to help you make money, save money, and make your money work harder. So yeah, thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it's been so helpful to you all, and if you know anyone who is studying and actually uses Amazon as well, I would ask you if you could share this with them as well, so that they can start saving some money, and they may be able to help you out by maybe ordering 1 or 2 things for you on their account as well. So yeah, thank you. That's the end of today's video, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, and bye-bye.